Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing great. I hope you guys had a great week. So today guys, I'm bringing you a brand new video. It's gonna be a crypto related video because recently I got a lot of questions of people asking me whether this was the bottom and now it's all up. Now Bitcoin to our 100K next, all these types of questions, and therefore I decided to make a video to kind of cover this topic, to give you my personal opinion on what's going on in the market, whether I expect Bitcoin to dump again or whether I expect it to do a blow off top and go for that 100K mark. I'm going to cover all of this in today's video. For the new people, if you guys like my content, if you like what you see on my channel, make sure to be subscribed to the channel. Also turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a single upload. And yeah, of course, if you like the video, make sure to drop me a like. I will highly appreciate it. And yeah, let me just get straight into the video. So a quick market update. We can see that the market cap is over $2 trillion now, which is really good. The 24-hour volume is at 85 billion, not at 100. That's the ideal spot in my opinion. The dominance, we can see that Bitcoin is at 41%, Ethereum at 90%. And yeah, we can see Bitcoin had a good run, as well as Ethereum, as well as the all other altcoins, they had a good run. XRP is at 90 cents after the news from yesterday. Bitcoin was at 45K, now it's at 44.5, looking bullish, not gonna lie. Ethereum as well, over 3K. So yeah, like the coins started to pick up the pace. We can check out the fear and greed index. We can see that we are not in extreme fear anymore. We are actually on neutral. As you guys know, the last time we talked about it, we were in extreme fear. The whole last month we were in extreme fear. Now we are neutral, guys. So a quick tip, when you guys see this index in extreme fear, look to buy into coins, and when you see it in greed, look to sell, because you have to sell when others are greedy and buy when others are fearful. That's the rule I use. Of course, you don't have to do as I say. This is just my personal opinion. So yeah, this is just a quick tip, on how I like to view the market. Some quick news that was relevant in my opinion is that Russia wants to regulate crypto and not ban it anymore, because at first they wanted to ban cryptocurrencies, but now they actually want to adopt it but regulate it instead of banning it, which is a bullish news for crypto in general, So yeah, overall, like the market is looking pretty bullish. The news are pretty good. We see more and more people get into crypto. So yeah, like everything is pretty bullish right now. So let's get into the technical part, into the technical analysis, because you guys know that I'm a big fan of that. That's what I do. I'm a day-to-day forex trader, so you can tell that technical analysis is the first thing I do before checking news, before checking anything else. So we can see where on the daily Bitcoin US dollar chart, we have the trusted signal oscillator here. If you guys want to check out trusted signals, I will leave you the link down below in my description. Per indicator I use and I like really much. It's really helpful. So yeah, we can see that Bitcoin bounced off this right here, 32.5K. That's where it bounced off. I kind of did a trend line from the previous bottom to this bottom, So we can see that it bounced off. Then it came back to the 36.5 and it bounced off this one to break this structure over here, the 44K structure. That's what it broke. We can see that it closed above, So now for me, if I'm being honest, I would really like to see a bit of sorry, not trend line. Let me redo this real quick. This is what I would like to see, guys. I would like to see this. I would like to see a bit of play around and then an impulsive move to the upside. Again, some consolidation, and then another impulsive move to the upside. You know, if I see this, I will be very, very bullish, because if I see Bitcoin crushing these levels right here, the 44 that we already did, the 48 and the 52K. If I see these 48K and 52K levels get crushed with a impulsive move, then I'm looking for a all-time high on Bitcoin, like for real. And that means like the other altcoins will pump as well, Ethereum will pump as well, all the low cap gems will pump as well. And that's when, guys, that's when I will start getting into these low cap gems and buy them. You know, that's what I'll do. I'll go into these top 300 coins, even top 400, you know, and I will buy these low cap gems and just wait for that 5, 10, even 20x, you know, even more sometimes, because, you know, the lower the market cap, the more potential it has, of course, if it has a good project behind and a good team, because that's what I look for. And yeah, like if you guys are interested in these low cap gems and want to try to make some profit with them, I have signal groups specifically for that, where I tell people what low cap gems I buy and what my expectations are for those type of coins. So yeah, guys, if you are interested in that, make sure to DM me on Telegram. I will leave you my Telegram link down below. And yeah, like that's basically what I will do. Of course, I will compound on my top 20, top 30 altcoins as well. Like, I don't know, let me give you an example: Phantom, Solana, even Cardano, XRP, AVAX, Polygon. All these I will accumulate on these as well, you know, because these are some consistent altcoins. Ethereum as well, even though they have a big market cap, but these ones I like to accumulate over time, you know. I bought some here, I bought some here, I bought some here. I will buy some here if I see this move happening, you know. That's how I played. But yeah, like the main focus will be for me to get these low cap gems, to buy the correct ones that will pump aggressively. And as I said, like you can see big numbers on those. You can see 5, 10x's, 20x's, 30x's, you know, like that's big. That's very, very big, you know, and that's a big opportunity, you know. I'm not telling you to go and buy every shit coin that has a low cap, you know, because that's not going to work, you know. That's not going to work. There's tons of coins out there, and trust me, a lot of them don't have any value at all. Like a lot of them are either shit coins that get pumped and then they get dumped, or they're just eventually gonna go to zero, you know. Like it's that simple, you know. So yeah, you got to be careful with it. You got to do your own research before investing in these low cap gems. So yeah, like that's my play. But of course, we gotta keep the both sides. We gotta keep our doors open for the bullish and also for the bearish, because uh, it's not 100% sure that Bitcoin will do this. As I said, this is what I would like to see. If I see impulsive move through the 48K and through the 52K level, then I'm all in. Like I'm saying, like this is gonna go up. It's gonna break the 60K level and then look for the all-time high, because these levels right here are very strong. We can see that we have liquidity resting above the 52K level. So if Bitcoin crashes through that level, that's straight sign of bullish, you know, of people getting in the market, of big companies buying Bitcoin and all that stuff. And yeah, like that's what I would look for. We can see the indicator gave us a divergence right here on the daily. We could have made an entry here based off our just a signal indicator, which is really, really cool to keep in mind. And yeah, guys, like as well, if you are interested in my strategies and want to learn my strategies, the ones I use for forex trading, but they also apply to crypto trading. They work on crypto as well. If you guys want to learn how I trade, you can also DM me on Telegram. I will link you my Telegram link down below. And yeah, overall, guys, like this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at Bitcoin maybe doing a bit of consolidation here and then break above impulsively, then do the exact same thing and break above 52K. If I see this happening, When this comes here back and retest, that's where I'm gonna get in massively on everything, on low cap gems, on big altcoins. That's when I will accumulate the most and just sit and watch what Bitcoin does next. That's what I would do. And on the other hand, we could see if Bitcoin decides to go bearish again. We could see this happening. We can maybe see a small test of the 48, not impulsively, and then start to break down, creating lower lows, lower highs, and maybe test the 32K level again. Who knows? Maybe even the 29K level, or the 30K level. We could see that as well. Like it depends. It depends on what happens in the world, on how many people get into the market, how many people sell, and all that stuff. Like it really depends. Of course, I would like to see the first opportunity happen. The first example, I would like to see Bitcoin smash through these levels, but we got to keep in mind that it can go either way. It's not always buy, buy, buy. It's not always sell, sell, sell. So that's why we gotta keep those in mind. We can see both of them happening. Of course, if it does this, if it comes back down, I will accumulate even more coins, even more altcoins, top 10 altcoins, top 20, 30, and low cap gems as well. And even if it goes further down at 24, 20K, I will do this exact same thing, because if you get into the crypto market, you got to have that long-term vision, you got to have that long-term vision. If you don't have that long-term vision and you're getting in hoping that, okay, I'm getting at 44K, hopefully by tomorrow Bitcoin reaches 100K, then trust me, man, you're not going to make money. Okay, so if you're in for the long term, then yeah, you're right at the right spot. But if not, then just try something else, because this is a patience game. If you see, like, Bitcoin was bearish since November, creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then this was the previous lower low, previous lower high. As we can see, we broke the previous lower high, so now Bitcoin changed its momentum. It now picked up the bullish momentum. We are now on the bullish side. So this is my previous higher low. If this one gets broken, if 37K gets broken, then we are in a downtrend again. But till then, I'm bullish. Till then, we are in an uptrend. These are the two options I see on Bitcoin. If I see the 52 level get breached, get crushed with an impulsive buy move, then on a way back, on a retrace, that's where I will accumulate. That's where I will start buying low cap gems, altcoins, all that type of stuff. I personally, as a disclaimer, I don't hold any Bitcoin. I just use Bitcoin as a reference because you guys know that all the coins follow Bitcoin for the moment. I don't know, maybe in the future the Bitcoin dominance won't be that big anymore and the coins would move independently, but till then we gotta stay focused on what Bitcoin does, because if Bitcoin decides to pump to 100K, then trust me, Ethereum is gonna pump to 7K, Solana to, I don't know, 500, and all of altcoins and coins in general will pump. So that's why I'm using Bitcoin as a reference. And yeah, guys, this was a quick update, so you can see my opinion on all of your questions about whether this was the bottom, about is Bitcoin going to 100K now. Everything is possible, everything is possible. I'm on the bullish side, of course, but yeah, hopefully this first example will happen. If not, as I said, I will accumulate even more. I mean, for the long term, if Bitcoin decides to go bearish for this whole year, for me, that's not a problem. I will accumulate even more. And then when it goes in a bull market, you will see the profits. So that's how I'm thinking about this market. I'm keeping it very simple. That's what you guys should do as well. Don't stress it. If you decide to invest, and then just leave it there. Check check from time to time where Bitcoin is at. You know, you don't have to constantly stay on the charts, be like, oh, I'm down 2%, I'm up 3%. Don't stress it, you know. So yeah, this was basically it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you leave me a like, subscribe, and also comment if you have any questions. I will leave you all the links in my description for those that are interested in trusted signals, my Telegram low cap gem group, or my mentorship where I teach people exactly how I trade. And yeah, guys, I will see you in the next one. I wish you a happy weekend, and yeah, hope you liked the video. Goodbye.